In the morning, my husband saw a traffic accident. It happened on the opposite side of him. The first forklift was turning to the left. The third car was in a hurry, making a left turn, and it was going fast across the yellow central line for about 15 meters. The forklift and the third car didn't see each other and crashed. Everybody around the place was surprised. I guess it was 100% or 90% of the fault of the third car, 'cause crossing the yellow central line is a serious fault, and it's gross negligence. We have to keep the traffic rule at every moment.